Don't download Trello Enterprise Workflow Hub app before watching this. Before you download Trello Enterprise Workflow Hub, here's the key insight. It's more than just a Kanban board. Enterprise Trello provides advanced boards, automation, and reporting, but most teams misuse it by skipping planning. Step 1. Structure boards strategically. Trello allows multiple boards with lists, labels, and templates. Most people get this wrong by creating cluttered boards, which slows workflow and reduces clarity. Step 2. Set up bottler automations. Automate recurring tasks, notifications, and approvals. The surprising truth is, without careful setup, automations can create bottlenecks instead of efficiency. Step 3. Integrate other platforms. Connect Trello to Slack, Chrome, and analytics tools. Without integration, updates remain siloed, and insights are incomplete. Step 4. Monitor performance. Use dashboards to track task progress, deadlines, and team productivity. Teams that act on these insights streamline workflows and improve output. The upside: proper Trello Enterprise implementation can increase team efficiency by up to 30%, reduce manual coordination, and centralize project tracking. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can plan boards, configure automations thoughtfully, and monitor results. For smaller teams, standard Trello plans may suffice. Subscribe to learn how to maximize enterprise workflow tools effectively.